watch at 3 stacks. Do not go for more stacks than 3.
You can go more. You don't have anything. Okay. Run to your position. And kill ads first. Go, 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 go.
Oh my god, 1.5 million.
Odds are
Yeah.
tank really good. Nice one, spooky.
Yeah, good job.
Any side that needs more help with the ads, either healing or tanking or whatever. Heal that ad, it's getting closer, heal it, come on. It wasn't topped.
Don't it, don't. Don't it.
Spooky tone,
Fuck it.
I guess
Come
he
on,
didn't hear you. Your mic is fucked.
No, the TV is very high. I have very high volume.
Yeah, volume, but your voice is shit, like really broken mic or something.
Don't say that of my voice. My voice is very pretty.
Yeah, kill the ads. Just few remaining.
Holy fuck.
What the
Res them
love?
fast.
Res both tanks fast. Res them. Run, whoever can. One more res on Spooky. Come on. Res Spooky.
Res Blessing as well?
Yeah.
And heal everyone up. And who can heal, help healing.
That's weren't really good stack this time.
It was fine.
I still
Get
aggro.
up.
I still had aggro
I
when
knew
the tanks
it.
were dead.
I need stamina buff.
Stamina buff, please,
Buff up.
anyone? Warlock or priest. Okay, ads, swap to the ads again.
Beware.
Well, at least I suppose I had the best aggro reset going.
Oh,
Mana
What?
cooldown priest for the healers, please.
On it.
and pop heroism for blessings and tanks
No,
when
no,
when
no,
ads
don't,
come.
because it. Ready? Oh, okay, yeah, do it.
Everyone here?
Lol, the ads get hero as well. What the fuck?
Oh my god.
This is awesome. Ah, I love it.
Don't it?
Got your spots again.
This is
And
fast.
stay there.
And heal.
Yeah.
Whichever class
Load
can
some
heal,
blue.
heal it. Yeah, heal it. Whoever can heal. Shit, I don't have mana to heal.
Use the devotion.
Hellstones.
Devotion.
And heal the ads, come on. Nice one.
Nice.
That was fast.